Welcome to your new Fire TV. Access today's most popular shows, movies, and apps from Netflix, Hulu, HBO, Starz, Showtime, Prime Video, and more. In the next few minutes, you'll see how to control your TV hands-free from across the room. Just ask Alexa.
What is up, guys, and thank you so much for checking out the video. My name is Orain. Well, the Amazon Fire TV Cube is now officially available for purchase, and today we're going to just break it down on exactly what this thing is and how to set it up on your television set from start to finish. If you're finding me for the first time on this channel, I break down technology in a way that everyone can understand by answering the three main questions: what it is, what it does, and is it worth your money? If you enjoy videos like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and always remember to share your questions, thoughts, and opinions in the comments down below. So, without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first question we're going to answer is, what exactly is the Amazon Fire TV Cube? And that's an easy one. It's Amazon's latest stream service. If you can imagine the Amazon Alexa and the Amazon Fire TV making sweet, sweet love together, and out popped the Amazon Fire TV Cube. With all the features and benefits of an Amazon Alexa with the Fire TV thrown in, it's going to be your main streaming hub for anything that you want to stream: HBO, Cinemax, Showtime, Sling, anything. At least that's what Amazon hopes. So now we're just going to take you through a brief setup of it so you know exactly what to expect when you plug yours in. So the first thing you're going to see as soon as you plug everything in, connect the HDMI cable, and turn everything on, is going to be this screen asking you to select your Wi-Fi connection. Once you've connected to that Wi-Fi connection completely, it's going to just go ahead and download some updates into the Fire TV box. Now, this process took about 20 minutes. It's a pretty long process. There's a lot of updates that it's going to need to download. In the video here, I'm just going to fast forward it for you, but just remember, this is not real time. The download does take a while, so you might just want to set it and walk away from it and come back when it's done. Now, as we hit this screen, it's going to ask you, do you want to save your password? You definitely want to do that. The Fire TV Cube is an always-on device. That way, it automatically logs into your Wi-Fi whenever it's powered on and it stays connected. The next thing is going to be the parental controls. Now, if you have kids in the house, you definitely want to set this up. The Cube is going to have access to a lot of adult content, so you definitely want to control what your kids can and can't view using these parental controls. We don't have any kids, so we're just going to go ahead and hit the no parental controls on this and advance to the next screen. And in this screen, it's going to give you the ability to download all the applications like the Showtimes, your HBOs, your Starz, your WB. It has access to a plethora of streaming services. This is like the ultimate streaming device. Any kind of streaming service you want, it's going to have access to. Now, the different streaming services like Showtime or HBO, you can actually log into these using your cable provider username and password that they provide you with, and it's really just based on the level of service you're receiving. So if you're getting HBO in your package, you'll have access to this HBO app and Showtime app and etc. Now, as you can see, it has a bunch of different options from sports, movies, even Firefox and Spotify. It's really a behemoth for streaming. Now we're just going to move on to the next screen. Now this screen is going to give you the ability to connect your devices that are connected to the TV. So that would include like receivers, sound bars, and the television itself. The Cube can actually control those devices with your voice and the controller that comes with it, and gives you the ability to have everything kind of controlled all by one device. It's going to ask you for a soundbar or receiver. You can connect either or. I have a TV. I'm just going to use my television set on this one. Connect it. It's going to search and then turn off the television set.
Turning your TV off. This may take a minute. Please wait.
Once the TV is back on, you can just advance to the next screen. And then Amazon is going to kind of treat you with a little basic setup video of exactly what the Amazon Fire TV Cube is and what it does.
With a simple request like, Alexa, play Despicable Me, Fire TV powers on compatible TVs and sound systems and starts playback where you left off, hands-free. You can also search by title, actor, or genre. Alexa, find comedies. Once you find what you want, say, Alexa, play number 3. Then use your voice to control how you watch. Alexa, turn up the volume.
Now, once that video is completed, you will be kicked into the main menu. This is where everything is. You'll see all the apps that you've downloaded and signed into. You have your main screen that has access to the Prime Video, music, and photos if you are an Amazon Prime member. I definitely would suggest it. I love it. And then it has access to all the other streaming functions and options. It's actually a really great interface. It's really easy to navigate. You can even use your voice through the Alexa enabled remote, or just by saying Alexa, and the speaker itself will be able to hear you. So that's been our full walkthrough on how to set up your new Amazon Fire TV Cube. Tune in for our next video where we'll go over some of the great features and great navigational features that you have with the Alexa enabled remote and also the Alexa enabled voice controls of the Cube. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and also hit that thumbs up. It definitely helps us when people join our community. And also don't forget to share your questions, thoughts, and opinions in the comments down below. Thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. And until next time, peace out.